According to reports, Xiaomi has patented a smartphone design with a detachable camera at the World Intellectual Property Organization. While there isn't proper evidence for how this would fall in place, there is a possibility that Xiaomi will do it with the help of magnets. Anyway, this is not the first time we are seeing a detachable camera layout. Back in December 2020, we saw Oppo's patent with detachable cameras. According to invites sent out by Xiaomi Mi 11 global launch is set for February 8th. The Mi 11 was launched as the successor to the Mi 10 in China late last month. The smartphone also arrived as the first model to come up with the flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 that was unveiled in December. Xiaomi has unveiled the first of its kind remote air charging technology. Mi Air Charge technology lets you remotely charge smartphones through the air by just standing near the charger. Xiaomi hasn't revealed when it plans to commercially launch its Mi Air Charge. Spotify has been granted a patent for a new technology that will allow it to analyze users' voice data, which includes speech and background noise, and suggest music based on what it finds. According to reports in Music Business Worldwide, Spotify first applied for the patent in February 2018 and was granted it right now in January this year. From a 4.5 rating on the Play Store during its launch to a 3.4 rating currently, 4G's ratings have dramatically dropped on the Google Play Store. It has been said that the drop is due to PUBG fans review bombing the Indian game, with many of them leaving a 1-star review for the game. Apple's CEO Tim Cook has launched his strongest attack on Facebook yet, as the two companies face off over Apple's plans for new privacy features that would severely limit online advertising. As per Dutch authorities, personal information of a large number of people who participated in the Netherlands coronavirus track and trace program has been leaked. The authorities apologized for the leaks, which occurred through two separate incidents. Netflix has started testing a new feature on Android devices. It's adding a sleep timer button that users can set for TV shows and movies on Netflix. Based on user feedback, Netflix will expand this feature to other devices, including Netflix on TV, desktops, and iOS. SpaceX's first high-altitude test flight of its Starship rocket, which exploded last month while attempting to land after an otherwise successful test launch, violated the terms of its Federal Aviation Administration test license, The Verge reported on Friday, citing sources.